Lacto-fermented, nutritious orange drink. Excellent against fatigue, wonderful for children. To make 1 liter of juice, you will need 2 cups of fresh cold water. Place it in a glass jar together with 2 cups of freshly squeezed orange juice, a 1/4 cup of whey, and 1 teaspoon Himalayan salt. Mix together. Cover the jar tightly and leave at room temperature for 2 days. Look, little bubbles of effervescence are beginning to form. After 2 days, you may refrigerate and serve whenever you need a drink against fatigue, good for your digestion, and wonderful taste. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for subscribing to the channel.